As part of geographic maps, we will now plot state-wise sales now. To speed up the process, we would duplicate the sheet. Rename it as sales per state. You can rename it as state-wise sales or as sales distribution basis state, as well. We would now drag sales over the size drop area. Observe the change in size of these circular markers on the map, resonating the size as the quantum of sales. We can drop the market by dragging it out from here. Kindly note the change in the visualization. If you wish to increase the size, click over the size and tune it according to your choice. Towards the top right, over here, in the legend you can see minimum sales and maximum sales. We can also add filters to sales. Let's try this. Let's not do this way, let's do over here, which is quite easy. Click on the sales measure, click on filter. See the change over here. Above the legend is a slider. We can drag to select what we want to see on the map. Customize the map markers, click here to change color. Since the sales was dropped on size, it's not changing. Let's drop sales again on the color. Basis your personal choice, you can experiment between a colorful or professional look.